map is ready for the export, so we can export our map now. Now let me go to the insert. I will add a layout for this map. Click this drop down and you can select different layouts for your map to be exported in that. So I will select this A4 landscape. Okay. So you will have only this blank page here in the ArcGIS Pro layout. Now you can also rename your layout here. Right click on it or go to the properties and go to the general, and you can change this name from here. Okay, you can also change it from here like layout Hangul HN underscore map. I will also recommend that you use this underscore instead of any space or any other character, because most of the software accept this underscore. So I will recommend to use this underscore anywhere when you use when you require a space or you want to use space. So instead of space, use this underscore. Okay. So I will click OK. So it's been changed now. Now you can also double click on it, a single click on it, and you can also modify this name from here as well, like this. Okay. Now let me add this map to this layout. How you will do it? Now go to the insert tab and click on this drop down map frame, and this is your map. Click on it and drag the mouse on this map. All right, like this. Okay. Now you can adjust the frame like this. Okay. On this side, I will insert the symbology here on this side, and let me arrange this map here in this preview. Right. Okay, you can select this map frame, and right click on it and activate it. When you activate it, you can select this explore tool, and now you can move your map within this review. You can also use these tools, fix extent. This is actually fix zoom in and fix zoom out, or you can use the scroll the scroll button of your mouse as well. Like I will use this one, or you can select zoom in like this. You can adjust your map like this. Okay. Now to get rid of this activation, you can click this red cross, or you can go to the layout tab and close activation. You can also close this activation from here, as well as you can do it from this red cross. Okay. Now let me make it to the side like here, and let it drop down here. Activate it. so that I could arrange it. Close the activation and now open it from this side a little bit. Now once again activate it and move into this side. I think it's now perfectly aligned with some spaces in here, but it's okay. Okay, all right. Okay, you can also add title here, and I will add the symbology here as well. Go to this dynamic text and add title from here, and you can change also map frame. You can also add scale, relative scale. This is actually your map scale now. The export scale. One is the export scale and the other is the primary scale that you have done your work on that map. It's actually the input scale depend on your from where you have digitized or you have collected your data. Like when you are working on a Google Earth, so Google Earth have the resolution of uh, in some places like 5 meter, 3 meter, and in some places it have a resolution of 30 meter. So it's depend upon where you are working in the Google Earth. So in this place, the Google Earth resolution is it's to 15 meter resolution. So the input resolution of this map is 15 1 ratio 15,000, and the output is 1 ratio 7,18,206. All right. Now you can also add a dynamic text here. Let me add text here, or you can also add different polygon and arrows as well. Now let me add text, simple text here. I'll make it as a title. Now zoom in here and give a title here, geological. So this is my map title. Now go to the text, select this text, and go to this the text. You will not see any text here. Okay, first select this text. Now go to the text tab and change the font size. I will change the font size like this, and let me make it bold. I will reduce the size. Okay, like this. Now you can also add a north arrow, scale, and legend as well. First I will insert legend. To insert legend, select this frame, and now click on the legends. You can drop down. You can click on the drop down, and different formats are available. But I will recommend you to click here and like this, and now drag your cursor like this. So you have all these legends. Now adjust it right on the right side. You can also change, for example, I don't formation in this name. I don't need this name, so remove it from here. It will automatically update there. The GIS have the capability to update there like this, not like this. Okay, so it has been updated. Now let me remove it from here as well. And if you want to arrange all of, okay, so let me show you one thing more. Select this, click on this arrow or drop down, and I want to change the order of these formation. I mean, uh, I want to change the order, like first formation, then then study area, and then structures. So let me drag it into the top, and this study area in the middle, and structure into the bottom like this. So it will arrange like it here as well. And if you want to show a legend over the top, you can right click on these and the legend. Okay, now this properties, and show the title of the legend, and you can change the title from here as well. This is the title, but you can change it like this. Let me change it. Legend Hangul map. So it will automatically update it, but I don't need it. But I don't need the title, the legend title. So let me get rid of it. So you can change the extent of the, and you can also add border to this, to these legends from here. The border. Let me give it a black border like this. This is the actual border of the legend. Now let me once again go to the properties, and you can also give a background to the legend like this. This is the background to the legend. Now properties, and you can also add shadows like this. Let me give it a black shadow like this, and you can make it rounded like this, but I don't need the shadow. I will select no color. Okay, and let me get rid out of the background. Alright, and also for now I don't need this border, because I want to add a whole border over here for the legend. So okay, and if you want to change something like you cannot change anything here, but to change something like to change it here freely, you can go to the, you can right click on it, and then go to the convert to graphics. Now once again right click on it and ungroup it. So you have now ungrouped it like this. These are all ungrouped. Now once again right click on it and once again ungroup it. And now you can change anything from here like this. Like this. And you can make it bigger like this, like this. And if you want to change something like here, you can do it. But now when you change anything here, it will not automatically update it because it has been converted into graphics. So let me undo, All right. Now add a scale. I will use a kilometer scale. I will add a scale here. So this is the best place for it in my map. So I will add it here. And you can also change the scale properties. Go to the scale bar. You can change the stroke of the scale, like you can color it, as well as let me make it color like this, like red, but the black is perfect for here. And you can also change the size of this stroke like this, but one is perfect. Okay, you can also change the text and text regular, bold, narrow, font size, and also the size of the text. You can also adjust or format or right side or centralize. You can also make it like this. But this is actually the scale bar. Now you can play with the design as well, like the divisions and the subdivisions. We have only two divisions, so I can. This is actually the major the major divisions, two division. From 0 to 23 and 23 to 26. I can change it to 3 like this. So it will add another one like 0 to 15, 15 to 30, and 30 to 45 like this. And you can also change the subdivision further to 5, from 4 to 5 like this. Okay, all right. And another thing is you can change the unit from kilometer to meter. You can do it like this, as well as you can select kilometer. And if you want to change the position of this kilometer symbol from, so you can label the position like above, center, below, before labels, after labels, before bar, after bar. I will select below center like this. You can also place this right here, but let me change it into by default before labels, after labels like this. And let me change the label to only km c like this. All right, now you can also add north arrow. You can select anyone. I will select this one and drop and drag it here like this. Make it centralized. All right, now to add the coordinates to this map, move it a little here. It's okay, it's all right here. So select on this map frame, and here is the coordinate, this new grid button. So I will add the grid to here like this one. You can use different grid formats from here. I will you can also add new custom grid, but I will use this one, this first one, black horizontal label grid. But you can see that it is very congested, and I don't need it. And also the position of these grids, I don't need it like horizontal. I mean, I need it to make it vertical like this. Here it overlaps, and okay. And I also don't need these graticules. These are graticules. These lines are graticules, so I don't need it. So you can right click on it and go to the properties. So you will open this grid properties, but If you uncheck it and now you want to go to the grid properties and you select it and then right click on it, so you will not open the grid properties, you will have the map frame properties. To go to the grid properties, on the right side you can see grid, this grid, black horizontal, label reticule. So right click on it and go to the properties from here. Okay, now these intervals are automatically adjusted. So I will uncheck this automatic adjustment. If I want to change the, for example, the label position, the label intervals, the longitude and latitude intervals, so I can't change it from here. First, I will have to uncheck this automatic adjustment. I will uncheck it, and now let me go to these labels so I can change it now. So when you increase this is actually a degree minute, a degree position. This is degree, this is minute, and this is second. So every 5 minutes, after 5 minutes, it has added grid. But to make it 10, it will add a space of 10 interval. So let me make it 10 and let me see it. Once you change in the longitude, the latitude will also be changed automatically like this, and you will see here like this. So let me make it 20. So 20. I think it's perfect now, but I also need it in the to make these sides vertical, and I don't need here the labels because it overlap with the symbology. I don't need it here. So you can control the visibility from here. So at the eastern side, I don't need any labels, reticule labels. So I will uncheck this here. So it has been removed now. If you need, make sure that you have selected the labels here. If you want to to hide these or to remove the tick 1 or ticks, you can also select this and remove it from here like this. Okay, I don't need these grid lines, so I will select it and will remove it from here. But if you remove these labels, you can for example, if you want to add those reticule once again, so you can click here and add grid lines like this, and the grid lines will be added once again, but I don't need it like. Okay, and you can also change the order, like I want to change the order of the label, so you can select move it down like this. Let me once again move it to the upside, and now let me change the position of these labels. So make it vertical. You can make it vertical from here. On the western side, I will check the western side vertical, so it will make it like this, vertical. Okay, all right. And to change the size of these labels, you can select symbol and click on this A symbols. Okay, once again click on it. All right, so it has the size of 7, so you can select 12 and click apply. To change, you can change the font is 12 from here. All right. Now you can add a polygon here as well, like this. Okay. So your map is ready to export it. Okay. So one thing more, we didn't edit any symbology, the strike slip fault, so I will edit from here now. We don't have any symbol for this, so go to this the text and I will select this line and you can digitize it here like this. Finish it, or double you can double click it. Now once again select line, zoom in, and you can move it like this. If you want to change the, you can move it like this as well. So you can add the symbol to the strike slip fault like this, and also you will have to add the symbol here like this, and click again. Control Z. Okay, let me go to the properties, and you can change the angle or rotation. So actually we have entered to the map frame, so I will once again redo it. Now let me select this. Actually you can select this line from here as well. So I will go to the properties, and you can change the angle like this to make it aligned. Alright, like this. Now I will export the map. Go to the share and export layout. You can also make it drop down by, and you can flatten PDF, GeoReport PDF, GeoTip, and this. But I will select, and I will click here, and you can select the file type. You can also export it in the TIFF format. It will have the it will export the map in GeoReport format. If you export it in the PDF format, and again you can in this PDF format the coordinates are inbuilt, and when you open it in the global mapper, and you can convert it into PDF or KMZ as well from there in the PDF format. But you can also export it in the TIFF format, and in this TIFF format, the TIFF format will also have the coordinates and will be in the GeoReport form. But let me export in the JPEG format. Go to the, select the location where you want to save your project. I will go to this project, Geological map and select this new folder, output. I'll select it and will layout in gold map. You can also change the name of this, but I will export it with this name. Okay, you can maximize the quality and also the resolution. You can change the resolution. I have selected a DPI of 500 and all these, leave it all these by default, and now export it. Once it is exported, it will show it that your map is ready to view. Export layout. Okay, so our map has been exported. Now let me go to the desired folder. Map layouts, and now open it. So this is the map that we have created and exported just now. So you can see these mountain and features in the map like this. See.